Hi guys, welcome to Comfort Life channel. I am very happy to see you here today, and I'm also very happy to share with you what I have received in the package from the Thrive Market. I am using Thrive Market for about a year right now. I am a member of Thrive Market, and I find that I really save money buying things, especially supplements, and sometimes you really can save, like, believe it or not, up to $10 on something. So, and I have a huge package here. It's very heavy, and I always order a lot because it makes a lot of sense for me, especially if you have like a 10% and 20% off. So this is it. I just wanted to share what I am ordering normally from the Thrive Market, and here it is. So it starts with actually things for the baby. I do not really give my baby a lot of crackers or things like this. I only buy it when we're traveling, and when you're traveling everything is different. The baby doesn't eat normal food, but I do try to buy things that are like the best out there. So this organic oatmeal cookies, they're great, you know, they're in the form of different animals, like, you know, you can see here an elephant and things like that. So I got two, obviously, because, you know, I can't find it in the store, so I just get it right away, a lot of it. So, and also I got this Pretzels. It's actually also for the baby. Maybe I'll try a few. I don't really eat any cookies or crackers. So they have great expiration date, so as you can see, that's why I ordered double of everything. So this is the second one. And that is the late July mini cheddar cheese crackers. Before I used to order with peanut butter, so I have never given him cheddar cheese, so I'm just going to try. And again, so just, you know, I am aware that this is not the healthiest thing to, you know, to feed your baby with, so this is just for emergency purposes only. Now, what do I have here? Oh, I have here salt. This is the Redmond real salt. Well, that's the sea salt, as they stated, ancient fine sea salt. And well, because it's salt, it's really good price because it's 26 ounce here. They have good price for it right now, and I can't really say I ordered because of the packaging or anything like this. I will transfer it to a different container. But as far as the quality and the size of the pack, I really love this salt. So the next thing I could see here, I've ordered a couple of coconut milk cans right here. So this is actually, if you are looking for a good brand, this Thai Kitchen organic coconut milk is really good. As far as the cans, of course I got two, and I also got the tomato paste. I eat it straight from the can. You know, sometimes if I make, you know, something from Turkey, I could just put it on top. I got two, and it's like 99 cents per can. Now, what else do I have here? Oh, yeah, this is definitely for me. Planet Wild sardines. I love sardines, like really love them. I like them with brown rice or white rice on the side, you know, the salad. I can actually show you my favorite salad that I almost eat on a daily basis. So this is it, two of that. Now, I also ordered the Celtic sea salt. I have a video about Celtic sea salt, about the great health benefits it can give you. This is gray salt. You could see, this isn't white. See? It's gray. So, and now they actually started putting that non-GMO project verified sign. They didn't have it before. So, as you can see, I'm ordering a lot of salt. And again, I'm ordering it because it has really good pricing. Now, what is this? This is the Bonami powder cleanser. This is the cleanser I use around the house if I'm not using vinegar and soda. And this is actually one of the best as far as the ingredients. It's very, very simple. I only use it for the bathroom or to, you know, to clean up the kitchen sink with it, and the bathroom sink as well. So that's the cleansing powder, and believe it or not, it's like $1 a piece, and it will last you a while. Maybe the packaging is not like the best because you just take the sticker off and then it's going to be open, but I'm sure we can figure this out. So let me finish with this one and then I'll move here. Now this is, by the way, see, all the packaging is really great. This is 7th generation. It's a disinfecting multi-surface cleaner. I got it with lemongrass citrus scent, and I didn't even know it actually. But this is the one I usually get for the house, and it's huge. It's 26 ounce here, so it will last me a while. So that goes to this side. I'm going to talk about the second part right here in the next video.